Come to a seated position, then roll over to your stomach. Stretch your both the legs apart, then raise your upper body on your hands and legs, and then make a cat and cow pose, which is very good for your back strength. Continue the routine. Take a rest, and then again one more time cat and cow pose. With a gentle smile on your face, come to Adha Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Stretch your back, smile, and then now come to Bhujangasana. One last time in Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog, walk out your feet little and then open up your chest, smile, Bhujangasana. That's it for today's guys. See you.